Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this character animation with Duik Bassel 2 and After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. So friends, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. This is very important for me and for growing channel. Let's go. First one, let's select this face object. Select this eye brown, eye black, and eye white right, left, and sample, modes, nose, and head. Let's see. Okay, this all elements of head. Let's right mouse, precoms, and add name head. Click OK. Then select all layers without this eye brown, and let's link to eye brown. Let's select this eye brown and press S, change scale, and move to center. Let's zoom to layers. For better quality vectors, select these all layers and click this icon like this. Okay, so let's select all layers and unlink. Select this none, and let's select this eye white. Let's change this name left and this name right. Okay, so let's select this eye white right and eye white left. Let's right mouse and precoms, add name eye white. Okay, and let's move to here. Then select this sample, let's delete, and select this eye white. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's move to center eye white compositions and click toggle switch modes, change none to alpha matte eye white. Okay, let's see. Nice. Then open eye white and select these eyes. Let's press R, change rotation. Let's change 15, and this press R, change -15. Let's back to head. Okay, select this eye black. Let's move to center. Okay, not bad. So in this time, select this eye white. Let's link to eye white composition and select this eye white and press S and go to anchor point. Let's move to center. Clickation tool, then click this scale icon and change scale for eye blink. Nice. Okay, so let's make scale. Go to 3 keyframe 1 to 3, change scale 5. Go to 3 keyframe again 1 to 3, change 100. Let's select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Nice. And select these keyframes, Ctrl C, and let's Ctrl V for random eye blink animation. Okay, very good. So let's back to main composition and select this head, press S, change scale, move to here. Let's change scale like this. Okay, very good. So select this palm behind and move to anchor point here. Clickation tool. Nice. Okay, and now let's make parent links for hand layers. Select this layer 1. Go to solo. Let's click this icon for see background and select palm behind. Move to anchor point here. Clickation tool and unsolo. Select this layer 11, go to solo and move to anchor point here. Again, clickation tool. Let's select this 111 layer, go to solo and move to anchor point here up. Clickation tool and unsolo all layers. Then let's make links. Select this layer 1, link to layer 11. Select layer 11, link to 111. So this is 3 layers for left hand like this. Okay, so select this layer 111. Let's link to body and select this layer 2, 22 and 222. So this layer for right hand, and let's select this layer 2, go to solo. Let's move to anchor point here. Clickation tool and select the layer 22, go to solo. Move the anchor point down here. Clickation tool, and finally select this layer 222, go to solo, and move the anchor point here. Clickation tool, and let's select layer 2, link to 22, select 22, link to 222, and select 222 layer. Let's link to body. Let's unsolo all layers, and let's select this head, link to body, and in this time go to window, open Duik Bassel 2. If you have not this Duik Bassel, you can watch my video how to download and install Duik Bassel 2 in 2022 years. So let's click this second block, go to rigging, and select this layer 1, layer 11, and layer 111. Let's click auto rig icon. Nice. Go to icon, change icon size like this, and let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's close icon settings and select layer 2, 22 and 222. Again click auto rig icon. Nice. Again go to icon and change size. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So close settings and close Duik window. Nice. And now we can make a little bit animation for our own character. So let's select this control left. Let's change name hand left, and this hand right. Select hand left, and let's go to first second. Let's press P, make new passing keyframe, go to here, let's move it down. Okay, let's go to first second, select this tablet and link to hand left controller. Let's say again. Nice. And go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, let's move to left. So this keyframes for random animation, you can make your keyframes how to like you. Okay, let's select keyframes, make easy ease, let's see. Okay, good. And go to here, make new keyframe, go to again 5 keyframes, and let's move it up. Go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, and move to left. Go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, move to right, and finally go to here, make new passing keyframe, and go to 5 keyframes. Let's select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's select this hand right, and in this time let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to 6 keyframe, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's move to left and go to 4 keyframe, 1 2 3 4. Move to right, again go to 3 keyframe, 1 2 3, move to left, and say keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Nice. So let's go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, let's move to right, again go to here, move to left, go to here, move to right, and here, move to left. Let's see. Nice. And go to here, let's make new passing keyframe again, go to 5 keyframes, move up and go to here, move to left, and here, move to right. Okay, so let's press N for select work area. Nice. And select this hand right, hold shift, press R, and go to here, make rotation keyframe, and change rotation like this. Let's change rotation like this. Go to here. Okay, let's change again random rotation keyframes. Go to here, make new rotation. Go to 5 keyframes, change rotation. and here change for click. Nice. Let's see. Okay, and go to here again, make new rotation, go to 5 keyframes, change rotation like this, and go to here. Let's change rotation for click, and here like this. Let's select rotation keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So in this time, select this body and select palm behind icon, move to anchor point here, click selection tool and press R, make rotation keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe, change rotation like this. Let's change 2. Let's see. Let's try change 1. And go to here, make new rotation, go to 10 keyframe, change -1. Okay, and here make new rotation, go to 10 keyframe, change 0. Select keyframes, make easy ease. Okay, so select this here, go to here and press R, make rotation keyframe, and let's try change rotation like this, and go to 10 keyframe. Let's try change rotation like this, and go to here, make new rotation, go to 10 keyframe, change rotation like this, and go to 5 keyframes, make new rotation keyframe, and go to here, change 0. Select keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Nice. And let's add bounce effect. Hold shift press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to center, move it down this here, and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Nice. Select these 3 keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Let's see again. Okay, nice. So let's go to here, open heat composition, and select this eye black. Let's press P, make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframe, let's move it down, and select these keyframes, move to here. Let's see. Let's see here. Nice. And back to here, make new passing keyframe for eye black, go to 2 keyframe, and let's move to right like this, and select these eye blink keyframes, move to here. Let's see here. Nice. Go to here, make new passing keyframes, go to 2 keyframe, move to back. Nice. And in this time again make new passing keyframe for eye black, go to 2 keyframe, let's move it up and select this eye blink, Ctrl C, and go to here, Ctrl V. Okay, nice. Let's see. Okay, very good. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.